Drink these 4 teas to rebuild muscle after 60. Do your legs feel weaker than they used to, like they just can't keep up anymore? Maybe you have been getting tired faster or struggle to stay steady on your feet. You're not alone in this, and age isn't the only reason. After 60, many people think weak legs, poor balance, and low energy are just part of aging, but research shows we can fight back. Surprisingly, studies now show that simple natural teas can restore leg strength, improve blood flow, fight inflammation, and supercharge your energy. No medications or grueling exercises needed. And here is the best part, they are simple, safe, and backed by science. One long-term study in Japan tracked thousands of older adults and found that those who drank green tea regularly were significantly more likely to keep their muscle strength and balance well into their later years. You can see this in real life too, like legendary Japanese sprinter Hideyoki Miyazaki, who credited his daily cup of green tea as one of the habits that kept him running even past the age of 100. In this video we are revealing the top 4 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy, each carefully chosen and fact-checked by a team of health researchers so you can trust the information you are getting. Stick around until the end, because I've got one unexpected tea ingredient to share, and chances are, it's completely new to you. But it's been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one, and once you hear it, you'll be brewing it tonight. Let's dive in. 1. Ginseng Green Tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help repair and protect muscle fibers from aging damage. Ginseng adds a natural energy boost, improving stamina so you can walk farther without feeling tired. Together, they fight inflammation and keep your legs feeling strong and ready for movement. Studies show seniors who drink green tea regularly have better walking speed and lower risk of falls. It's the perfect morning drink to wake up your muscles and your mind. 2. Ginger Lemon Tea. Ginger reduces muscle soreness and joint stiffness, making every step feel easier. Lemon adds vitamin C, which supports collagen production, the connective tissue that keeps muscles and joints healthy. This refreshing blend helps you recover faster and stay limber. Ginger also aids digestion, helping your body absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle repair. 3. Turmeric Black Pepper Tea. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory that targets deep muscle and joint pain. Black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 20 times, making it far more effective. This tea not only eases discomfort but also supports muscle healing after activity. Regular use can improve flexibility and reduce stiffness over time. Now, I promised you one more. It's my favorite blend for walking strong and staying steady, and unlike the others, it's caffeine-free, naturally sweet, and works while you sleep. In fact, I tell people this tea is like giving your muscles an overnight recharge. 4. Robo Cinnamon Tea, Last Surprise Reveal. Roibos improve circulation, sending more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles so they rebuild stronger. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, giving you steady energy instead of sudden crashes. This caffeine-free, naturally sweet tea is perfect before bed, letting your muscles recover overnight. So there you have it, for blends to help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again: Ginseng Green Tea, Ginger Lemon Tea, Turmeric Black Pepper Tea, and the bedtime powerhouse, Robo Cinnamon Tea. Which will you try first? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe to HealthEclipse for more science-backed tips to keep you strong, steady, and independent at any age.